Have you been waiting, longing, dreaming of this day? Do you love LinkedIn ads? Have you been waiting for the perfect time to try them? Then watch this video, because today might be the day that you've been waiting for, longing for. Hey, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
What's up? I'm your boy George B. Thomas, the HubSpot Sprocket Talk Ninja, bringing you another HubSpot update. Okay, I'm not actually a ninja, but hey, I like HubSpot and you probably like the updates. Look, ads are an essential piece of providing your customers with helpful, relevant content at every point of the buyer's journey, wherever they spend their time online. For many of us, that means advertising on LinkedIn. To help execute our journey-based advertising strategy, LinkedIn Ads is now available within the HubSpot Ads tool. Do you use the HubSpot Ads tool? Do you advertise on LinkedIn? Let me know. I'm super curious. As the world's largest professional network, LinkedIn lets us target a specific persona or personas with our ads based on a wide range of targeting options. By connecting your LinkedIn ads account to HubSpot, you'll be able to sync leads directly from LinkedIn lead gen ads into your HubSpot portal, or create audiences based on any CRM data point and sync them between HubSpot and LinkedIn. Holy crap! You'll also be able to report on exactly how your LinkedIn ad spend is influencing the bottom line. Best of all, with your LinkedIn ads being managed in the same place that you do the rest of your marketing, you'll be able to create a consistent narrative for your customers by aligning your LinkedIn ads to every other touch point your leads will have with your business. Holy crap! Now, I get it. You might be wondering, George, how does it work? Well, that's why I'm here. That's why I'm creating this video. By navigating to your ads settings in the Marketing Hub Professional or Enterprise, you will now see the option to connect a LinkedIn ads account. One HubSpot user can connect as many LinkedIn ad accounts as they would like. Within ad settings, you'll also want to do these things. 1, turn on lead syncing via the lead sync tab, which will pull in and dedupe. Holy crap. We'll dedupe any leads from LinkedIn lead gen forms over the last 90 days and will continue to sync incoming leads going forward. You'll also want to connect your LinkedIn Insights tag via the Pixels tab, which will deploy the LinkedIn Insight tag wherever your HubSpot tracking code exists. Man, they made this easy. This will both enable you to create website audiences in HubSpot, as well as better monitor ad performance within LinkedIn. Stop. Pro tip, you should not both manually place your LinkedIn Insight tag and connect it to HubSpot. You should choose one or the other. Don't do both. So you might be wondering, then what? Well, let me tell you. Because you're still watching and I'm still here. Once connected, you'll be able to create audiences just as you would for both Facebook or Google in HubSpot. When you go to create an audience, you'll see that you have the option to create both website and contact list audiences for LinkedIn. The audiences you create in HubSpot will automatically sync between HubSpot and LinkedIn. This is amazing, people. Why is this important? I said it's amazing, but why is it important? Let's go ahead and dive in. As you start running LinkedIn ad campaigns, you'll be able to report on your success within LinkedIn ads versus the other networks. You'll also be able to see how your LinkedIn ad spend is influencing your bottom line, letting you make smarter decisions regarding future LinkedIn ad spends. And if that wasn't enough, if you turn on lead syncing, your LinkedIn leads will flow straight into your HubSpot CRM. LinkedIn ads is now available for all Marketing Hub Professional and Enterprise users. Is that you? If not, maybe it's time to think about upgrading. Hey, did you like this video? Then make sure you hit the likes, the subscribes, everything, so that we know that you're part of the community. Want to get tutorials like this right in your inbox? Then check the description below and sign up for our special Sprocket Talk only list. Need training past this update? Then check the description again. You're probably already there because you're listening, not watching. But look, there's 1 and 2 day on location HubSpot sales and marketing workshops that you can check out. Until next time, this is your boy George B. Thomas saying go out into the world and do some happy HubSpotting.